Hey friends, if you wish to change time on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time, and then you can also select this option where it says select set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Now if I wish to set the right time, I would simply click on sync now and wait for a tick here. But if you specifically want to change the time in the time zone, just turn these switches off, make sure that the time zone is correct, and then click on change here, and you can change the time to anything else. Okay, and then you can click on change, and you'll notice that the time will change. Okay, so this is how easy it is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.